Holy! Planetary Vibe is a pretty tough emote, but I broke it down for you guys so you can learn it here today. What's up, y'all? I'm Henschel. I am your dance professor. I provide you with professional grade dance instruction. Welcome to another Fortnite emote tutorial series. Today you're learning Planetary Vibe. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you know every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams as well on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. I live stream a free hip hop class that's open to all levels and all ages. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. All right, you guys ready to learn this? Let's hit it. All right, so this is how we do it. Planetary Vibe. I'm gonna face the back, okay? So that way you guys get it from your perspective, kind of like as if we were in a real dance studio. Then you don't have to worry about reversing anything. It's just, this is your right hand, this is your left hand, this is your right leg, this is your left leg, all right? So you don't have to reverse nothing. And I'll face you once in a while so you can kind of see it from the front as well. But you're gonna start off like this, okay? So everybody, bring your legs together and bring your right arm kind of in front, okay? So the hands are kind of up like this, and you're gonna have your right hand a little more forward so that you can then push your left hand forward. And we're gonna get a little twist in the body, so it's gonna go like this. Here, you're gonna give it a little twist. Now, it's very slight, it's not big, it's more about the arms just kind of doing the shift, all right? But we do have a shift in the weight here, so we're gonna go here, you're gonna go twist, and then from here, you're gonna cross your left leg in front. So you're gonna go left leg, down, now cross your right leg in front. Right leg, down, now cross your left leg in front. Left leg, and then come together. Okay, let's try that a couple more times and just put it together. Left foot crosses first. You're gonna go like this with your feet. You're gonna go left, right, left together, okay? That last part's a little tricky because you got to come together instead of, you know, shooting your legs out. So put all those moves together. 6, 7, 8. You go here and left, down, right foot, left foot. Then from here, you're going to take your hands and you're going to do a roll this way. So we're going to start with I'll face this way. You're going to do your left hand. So your left hand's going to come into your body first, okay? And you're just gonna do one roll. So left hand comes in, right hand comes in, left hand on top. So you get one full roll. Then you're gonna step up with your left foot, your right foot. You're gonna go here, and then you're gonna go boom, just like that. If I face you a little bit, I'll try and reverse it. And right hand, left hand, you're gonna go this way. Here, and then when that foot comes in, you're gonna go down like that. So these hands just kind of go like safe, yeah? And the foot just goes like you're scuffing. So facing back this way, again, you go right foot, then you're gonna go scuff, just like that, okay? From here, step your right leg down and go pull and pull. So those hands are gonna look like this. You're gonna go pull and pull. Use that shoulder. Pull and pull, okay? This, from here, you got a little bit of a twist. Again, so we're gonna go here, you're gonna twist to the left, okay? So I'm kind of leaning down into that hip, and then this foot's kind of twisting out a little bit. Get a little more forward so you guys can see. Boom, boom, just like that, okay? And all you're doing is pulling it back, just like that. And just use that shoulder to kind of roll. Let's put that together, yeah? From the top, 7, 8, you go. Boom, 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 boom. Left foot, here, and roll, splash. From here, after you go splash like that, you're gonna step down to your right foot, you're gonna go twist, twist. Then you're gonna take these hands and they're gonna come up to your face kind of like this, so you got flat elbows, okay? And then what you're gonna do, twist, twist, is you're gonna step and pull, okay? So what happens is the hands just go like this, boom, boom, just like that. You're gonna go that way with your accent, so it's going this way, this way. Your feet have a little twist, okay? So you're here like this, boom, boom. You're gonna step and hit. So your right foot's in front. Now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna twist my body this way, and then you're gonna step again, okay? So your right foot is what I really concentrate on. We're gonna go step and step. So you step with the right foot first, then you step with the left foot, and then the right foot. So after this, boom, boom. Step on the right foot first. You're gonna go boom, left foot, right foot. And then when you do that, you kind of have that twist. So it looks like this. Okay? You can practice that a couple of times. Do it in slow motion. Pause the video, go back and watch. But just one more time real quick. You step across this way. Now, as I step with my other foot, I'm going to twist my body. Okay? Then I come across, I'm going to twist my body. Come across, twist my body. Okay? And you'll end up doing that facing this way. You're going to use your right foot first. So we go pull, pull. You're going to go, you're going to go pull, pull. This is going to go and hit. Now, from here, you're like this. You're going to take your arms up. You're going to cross your right leg behind. Boom, just like that. Okay? Then from here, you're going to do what's called the ball change. You're going to go left, right with your feet. You're going to go left, right. And then you're going to twist. Again, you have hit and hit. Arms, back, ball, change. From here, you're going to twist your body. Boom. Then you're going to ball change again. Boom, boom. Then from here, you're going to kind of jump out. Boom. You're going to body roll up your hips, up your chest here. Your head's going to go boom, boom. There's a little back and forth rock with the head. So as you roll up, boom, boom. Just like that. Okay? Let's take that from the top, because this one's a complicated emote. There's definitely a lot of moves, and it helps to just do them over and over again to kind of get the sequence. And if you need to, again, pause the video, go back, rewind it, and just do it a whole bunch of times. When I'm doing these emotes, I literally take it one move at a time, and I'll just add it. So I'll get like maybe the first 3 moves and just repeat them over and over and over again, and then just keep adding to it, and then that's how you get that muscle memory, so you know what you're doing, okay? So let's go from the top. Ready? 7, 8, you have here, boom, and cross, and down, roll, splat, step, hit, twist, and twist, arms, back, ball, change, twist, ball, change, down, up, hit. Now, you're almost done, but if you need to, pause the video, go back to that again, a whole bunch more times. This is the end right here. This is how we're going to end it out. So your body rolls up here, boom, boom. You have a little bit of a hold in the music. And then what you're going to do is you're going to step on your left foot. You're going to roll up like this. You're going to step on your right foot back. Then you're going to hit down. Then you're going to kind of go center to come up again to then repeat. Once again, this is what it looks like putting that together. So we rolled up. You have the head rock, boom, boom. Then from here, step on your left foot. You have a little bit of a dip. This is going to get your body rolling this way. So you're going to step and hit, center, boom, twist. And then you basically just repeat from the beginning and do that. So let's put all that together in succession. Try and do it from the top. It goes like this. Ready? 6, 7, 8. You have hit, and cross, and down. Roll, splat, step, hit, and twist, and pull. Ball, change, twist, ball, change, down, roll it, head, hold. Boom, hit, and boom, twist. And cross, and hit, and down. Roll, splat, step, hit, go. Twist, arms, back, ball, change, twist, ball, change, jump, roll it, head, and hit, boom. So that is the Planetary Vibe broken down into moves, into counts for you. Let's go ahead and throw the music on. We'll do it with the avatar and me, and then do it with us. And yeah, good luck. We'll see you guys soon. Let's hit it. There you go, guys. guys, that's it. That's how you do the Planetary Vibe emote. If you have any requests for other emotes, put them in the comment section below. I do read them, I do pay attention to them, and I do algorithm searches and search engine optimizations for them. And we always put the emotes that are going to get the most traffic and have the most search volume. So even if your request doesn't get in yet, it definitely will at some point. I pay attention to it and I do write them all down. So keep the requests coming. I love it, and we'll see you guys next time, okay? Peace out.